Understanding our world, liberalism as a lens. Whether you love it, hate it, or are still figuring it out, liberalism is like a pair of glasses through which we can see and understand a huge chunk of the world around us. It's been the driving force behind many modern democracies, shaped economies, sparked social movements, and even influenced how we think about things like human rights and equality. By studying liberalism, we gain a deeper understanding of how our societies function, where our values come from, and the ongoing debates that shape the world. Debates that matter. Liberalism isn't just a historical relic. It's at the center of many of today's biggest conversations. Think about issues like free speech, the role of government in our lives, how to fight inequality, and even global challenges like climate change. All of these have liberalism woven into their DNA. By studying liberalism, you get a front row seat to these debates and the tools to think critically about different perspectives. Empowering citizens. Your voice, your choice. In many ways, liberalism is about empowering individuals. It gives us a framework for thinking about our rights, our responsibilities, and our relationship with the government. When we understand liberalism, we become more informed citizens who can make better choices about the kind of society we want to live in and how we can contribute to it. It's not just about abstract ideas, it's about your life, your community, and your future. Critical thinking skills sharpen your mind. Studying liberalism is like a workout for your brain. You will grapple with complex concepts, analyze different arguments, and evaluate the pros and cons of various approaches. This isn't just about memorizing facts. It's about developing critical thinking skills that you can use in all areas of your life, from your career to your personal relationship. A global perspective beyond borders. Liberalism is more than just a Western idea. It has sparked conversations and movements around the world. By studying liberalism, we can learn about different interpretations and adaptations of these ideas in various cultural contexts. This helps us see beyond our own bubbles and gain a more nuanced understanding of global issues and challenges. So, why study liberalism? The short answer. To sum it up, studying liberalism helps us understand the world around us, engage in important debates, become informed and empowered citizens, develop critical thinking skills, gain a global perspective. In short, it's not just about the past, it's about understanding and shaping our present and future.